is Cooper and this is a Domino play set where only there's one tower to hit. Look what you forgot to do!
Oh, jeez.
Today, we put it there. You can see that we finally put it there. And it's the same as last time, so. And we hope this don't fall over because I see. And everything's good between in that and the video before this. So we're now switching. Give me a thumbs up. Remember to tell your friends. I hope you like my videos.